What is it? Wow, good job. Yeah, what is it? It's a crocodile.
To make your toy corner grow even more.
Yeah.
Daddy's stuff diminish. Let's get it out of there.
You have more to open? You want to open more?
Okay, well there's that. Let's open this one. Gotta open it up. Oh. Oh, what's that? Turner. He's very happy. What's that? Doesn't matter, it's not right.
Alligator.
Pants!
Pants!
Pants! Shirt! Present.
Yeah, presents. Can you say thank you? Pants. You want mommy's food?
Turner. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Record.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah, is that the best?
It is the best.
Say thank you. We don't let him touch the new clothes with saucy hands. Say thank you.
To Richard.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Turner's favorite.